pups are eating some raw salmon. Unfortunately, we had the freezer left open one night, so the salmon was going to go bad. So these pups are getting a mega pack of omega-3s. They're loving it, tearing apart. They're loving it, eating it. This is Lake Salmon caught in Lake Michigan. We got a good friend and client of ours that actually has 2 of our dogs, and we go salmon fishing with them every year up in Lake Michigan. But you can see the dogs are loving it. They are tearing it apart. It's frozen, so it'll keep them easy for a little bit. Bruce and Oklahoma are seeing what's up. They'll probably let them have some. Plenty to go around. But this will keep them busy. Yes, Bruce, you can have some. They're loving that.